Hello mga besh! Kamusta? Wala akong ano. Wala akong kandila. Bumaba na ako. Asa si Ate Flor?
Ate Vlog!
Ha?
Ando pa sa kanila.
Oh, wala pa pala. Ikaw, suntokin kita niyan eh.
Basta sunod na
Hello.
lang. Dinala ko ng ano.
Alo, alo.
Kanya na lang yung Sprite at saka
Alo, alo, alo.
ano.
Ano, kamusta na?
Ikaw, kumusta birthday girl?
Kamusta na? Oh, diba? Yayang gala talaga. Thank you naman. Thank you. Thank you sa inyo.
Ay, ate.
Ay, pay attention.
Why he got
Pay
the
attention.
birthday cake?
Ha? Because,
What about me? What about me?
what about you? It's your birthday?
Yeah?
No, it's not your birthday.
No, I got Christmas tree, but in my Amy.
It's not Christmas.
What's this?
It's a birthday.
It's higher. It's some higher. It's some
Salamat. Patawarin.
tree. It's good.
Ayan, ang pansit. Ayan. Ang pamilya Aljadap dito. Oh, it's my birthday today. Continuation. Continuation.
Birthday.
Continuation.
Why should we do that? What about What about
Kandila.
Hayaan mo na, hayaan mo na. Okay na, okay na, okay na yun. Yes.
Happy birthday.
Salamat sa effort, mga besh.
Oh, we're not cupcakes. I'm
Salamat, mga besh. Ali. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you sa inyo. Thank you sa inyo, mga beshi. Thank you, Ate Joey. Thank you, Ate Flor.
Dadalhin ko na.
Thank you, Ate Gina. Thank you, Ria. Thank you, Ria. Thank you.
You eat.
Okay, I
Behave, ha?
Call your nana. Call your yaya. What is the name of your yaya? Call it. Ano?
Emily.
Emily.
Sophie.
Call it.
No, not Scopit, not Emily. Your name yung Nana. Hey, Yaya. Nani.
Sophie and Emily.
No.
No. Not Sophie. Sophie, alaga ni Maya dati.
Sophie.